Under the sky, the big and blue, laughed the girl and her cow friend too. Bella the girl with the ribbon so bright, and MooMoo the calf, a joyful sight. And Moo, a full sight. They ran through fields of grassy green, playing hide and seek unseen, jumping, twirling, full of cheer, giggling loud for all to hear. MooMoo jingled her little bell, while Bella danced and clapped as well. Round and round they spun with glee, as happy as two friends could be. Oh, moo! They splashed in puddles after the rain, singing songs like a fun refrain. Bella wore a flower crown, while MooMoo twirled her tail around. Jumped on logs, they raced on hills, shared their snacks and silly spills. When the sun began to set, they weren't ready to stop just yet.